Okay, so time for another very important trick, and that is about cleaning data. So in my data, you will notice that the first product name, that is Washington Berry Juice, is written completely okay. But if you look at the second one, Washington Mango Drink, you will see that the spaces have been, sometimes double, triple, or even more than that. And if you look at the next one, there are spaces at the beginning which you really don't want. And if you look at the next one, all of these names have been, completely spoiled the way they have been written. We don't write them this way. So I want to clean the data, and now one way of doing that would be, go there and press this way, keep reducing and keep pressing the backspace, to delete all the spaces. One way of doing that will be like that. Or we need to find a better way, because if the data is in thousands of rows, we cannot simply keep doing that all the day. By the way, before I start that trick, you might be wondering how I open the cell to write something, because if you start writing something, it will delete, right? So I will just undo that, and I will, in fact, what I do is that I just press F2. I just press F2 on my keyboard. There is no F2 on this keyboard, so I will just press on my keyboard here. On your keyboard key, just press F2 on any cell, and it will open the cell for you for editing. So I will just move forward for now. So what we were trying to do, we were trying to remove the spaces in the cell. So I will just write a formula, that is, press the equal sign on your keyboard and write trim. Once you have written the trim, just press the tab button on your keyboard, and it will open the formula for you. And now press the left key to go to the data that you want to trim, and now press Ctrl Enter, and Excel will clean all the spaces for you, and your data will be cleaned. So I will just copy and paste all of that to the bottom cells, and you will notice that all the data has been cleaned. And if you look at all the cells, all the extra spaces, no matter where they were, at the beginning or at the end or in between, all the extra spaces have been removed. That is one beautiful thing about Excel that you can do. Now I will just go back and I will show you something again. I think I was a little fast, so I will show you again. I will press equal sign on my keyboard, and I will write trim. As Excel has given me the option, and you can see that the trim is now in blue highlight, I will just press the tab key on my keyboard. The tab key is this one here. I will just press the tab key, and Excel will open, this formula will open for me. And I will press this arrow here to go and select my, my particular cell, and I will press the bracket close key, shift and bracket close key, to make sure that, the bracket has been closed, and I will press enter. And now I will copy. How do we copy that? We Control and C, we copy that. And now I will press the shift key. I will keep it pressed, and I will select all the cells below. Press the shift key and all the cells below. And now you will do Control and V, and Excel will copy paste the formula in the cells below. I hope I'm more clear now. So let's go to our sheet here on the product lookup sheet, and let's take a look at this data. Oh my god, this data is all messed up. The product's name have been messed up. There are so many extra spaces that you don't want. So what you will do, you will just press the equal sign, right trim, press tab key, and then go select the cell you want and press Control Enter, and now copy and paste. Now you can, if you will go down this way, you will keep going, it will waste a lot of time. So we have already selected the cell. Go here and now press Control Enter. Excel will automatically take you to the last cell in the range. I'm showing you again. We have copied this formula, and we want to paste it to all the cells below it. So you will copy, and you will press here, go to the other column, and now press Control and the downward key, and Excel will take you to last cell in the range. And now come back. Now press the Control and Shift key and press this one, the upper key. Again, I'm at the last cell. I came here, the cell I want to copy. Press Control and Shift key on, and again press the Control and Shift key and press the upward arrow, and it will select all the data for you. And now press Control V for the pasting purpose. Right, so all the values have now been copied here. Now what we need to do, we don't really want these values here, we want them to be in this column C. So what we need to do, we need to copy, just go to the cell, press the Control Shift key. By the way, you can press the Shift key and go, you know, one by one like that. But if you will press the Shift key and Control key both and press the downward key now, Excel will directly take you to the last cell and press Control C. Now if I will paste here, you know, Excel will bring a lot of the data will not paste. I will show you what problem will appear. See, there is some error. So I will just Control do for now. I will copy again. I will just go back to, just undo. Okay, I will select all the data again, and I have to go here. Now see, if you will just do the paste thing, what Excel will do, Excel will paste whatever that was in that particular column match, and we had a formula there. Excel will bring the formula, and that is what we don't want in this case. So what we have to do, we have to press Alt ESV on our keyboard. I will show you. Press the Alt key, keep it pressed, and press ESV. Excel will open this dialog box for you, and now you will see that it has already selected the values for you, and press OK, and you will see that Excel will paste all the values here rather than the formula, and the values have been posted.